So we finished our hike. Now it's time for lunch. Okay, this meal requires 1 1/3 cups of water. Today we're gonna do chicken and dumplings. I've heard a lot of good things about this, so let's give this a try. Got a good boil going on that. And there's what it looks like. Dehydrated. There we go. Okay. That does not look good at all. And I went back and added considerably more water. Yeah, that's slightly disappointing. Because I went back and put a whole lot more water in, and it still looks like it needs more. At this point there may not be any saving it, because it's already ice cold. You know, for a split second I considered dumping the rest of the coffee in there. Totally not rehydrated. Let me dig something off the bottom where the water's been settling. Still crunchy bits. I think Mountain House and I have a conflicting idea of what chicken and dumplings is supposed to look like. So maybe it's an environmental issue. I don't know. It is 30 degrees outside, so who knows? I've nearly doubled the water that it called for. And of course, now that I'm using cold water, it's not really gonna hydrate. I'm still pretty darn tempted to pour that coffee in here. Okay. Just found a little bite of the chicken there. It was okay. Even with all this extra water, there's something in there. I guess it's probably the dumplings that just refuse to rehydrate. It's really disappointing too. I heard a lot of good things about this one. I was looking forward to it. I mean, compared to the last one that I had, the Alpine Air, it rehydrated so easily. And there wasn't any issues with stuff being clumped up in the corners. The amount of water that it called for was spot on. This one, on the other hand, it said 1 1/3 cups. and I know I've put over 2 in it, and it just keeps soaking it up and soaking it up, and there's still crunchy stuff. And I guess maybe if I was cooking it on a stove top and could keep the water hot, you know, maybe it would work properly then. But for a camping meal that you're supposed to be able to make on the trail, I mean, if I got to work this hard to rehydrate it, it's probably not something I'm going to be carrying. Little peas and carrots in there. They rehydrated just fine. They taste okay. You know, most freeze-dried things, especially fruits, you bite them, you can tell what it is. I mean, the flavor's there. It's just absent the water. I'm biting into this and it's crunching, and I can't tell what the heck it is. I mean, there's just no flavor. It's bland. I'm getting some of the chicken it's pretty much rehydrated. But I can only tell it's chicken because of the texture, not because of the taste. It's got to be the dumplings because it looks like it's some kind of a bread chunk or something. Maybe in the summertime, when conditions are different, it would be easier to rehydrate and it would be a meal worth carrying. So, I mean, it's just like I said, if it's going to be this difficult to get the meal to rehydrate so you can enjoy it, it's just not worth it. Especially for the $8 price. And again, I really wanted to like this one. I love chicken and dumplings. I mean, who doesn't? I'm going to eat it because I paid for it. But that's the only reason why I'm going to eat it. It's a shame. Anyway, at least, okay, let me do it this way. I'm not going to say the meal sucks. But what I am going to say is it sucks under cold weather conditions. Like I said, maybe in the summertime it would be just fine. But it's just under these conditions it didn't work out. Still crunching. Huh. I mean, it's hard to describe. It's kind of like you just took a bunch of flour and poured water in it and got kind of lazy with the spices, and I mean, it's just kind of bland, doughy tasting and crunchy. It's like paste. It's pretty unappetizing. I mean, if you were cold and you sat down and you heated up your water and you put this in here, you know, you poured your water in, you rehydrated it, and you were looking for something satisfying to warm you up, this isn't it. This is not it. Not yet. I know I said I was going to eat it because I spent the $8 on it, but I just can't do it. Just can't do it. So, with that, we're going to go ahead and end this here. Mountain House Chicken and Dumplings. Cold weather fail.